This is going to be a 45 light grow, 3,200 square feet, double decker veg area. Of course, your dry room, clone area, if you will. And you've got 3 rooms with 45 lights total, 15 lights each, 3 rows of 5. You do your perpetual growing that way. Like I said, it has all the bones. You need to bring an OPC to this location, or buy one, or ask me to find one and I'll sell it to you. Here's your 3rd room. As you see, all the bones. Some stuff is updated. You have accurate electricity, about 600 amps. A lot of people think that you can grow or veg in this area and use that last room or the first room I showed you for another grow room. It just depends on how you guys are going to get down. So, 3,200 square feet, all the bones ready to go. Give us a shout, 720-724-4185.